Okay, Tam, yun lang pala sasabihin ko. Ikaw, Lisel, okay? Ano yung kakantahin mo, baby?
Listen po.
Ah, okay.
Listen.
Dream Girls. Just stop.
Opo.
Okay. Ikaw, Larn.
Di ko kayang tanggapin. April Berlin.
Mag-i-April Berlin ka? Okay. Okay sa'yo?
Okay lang po.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Pero sa tingin niyo, sir,
No, okay. Kaya ng boses mo yun eh.
saan ganda ng version ng taas?
No, kaya. Hindi ba panabog-baga yan, anak?
Po?
Hindi panabog-baga? Baka naman ipi ka na din. Kaya? Okay, good.
Sa akin,
Kasi, iba yun. Ikaw, Apolonia.
yung sabi na ayaw mo ng song.
Ano yung kanta mo?
We are family. We are family.
We are family. Kasi it's a group song eh.
I got all my sisters.
It's a, ano yun eh. Sister Sledge yun eh. Na, ikaw ba pumili nito? Mom? We are family? Kalitan mo yan. Tatalo kanyang kantang yan. Sino ba ka-partner mo? Sino kaharap mo?
Larry.
Ah, nakuputangin na. Oh, mangulikta ka na na magte-text vote sa'yo. Laban ng kantang yan. Nakakapagtaka against we are family. Kalitangin na. Magtawag ka na na magte-text sa'yo.
Direct yung song ko, should I change? What do you think?
I don't know eh. Yung, because I don't like... I know the Romeo and Juliet version of When Doves Cry. But it is not a showstopper.
You can pull it off.
Ikaw po, Has, To the Fire. Sige. Okay. You know how I feel about that song. Are you happy with it?
I'm okay with it.
Okay, then if you're okay with it, but you're gonna go your cute boy act again. You're going to go your whole Enrique Iglesias act again. Sino kalaban mo? Nanganganib ka.
You're in danger.
Because his song is ano? His song has balls. Yours is
Chill.
remember, he's gonna sing to the fire, to the limit. Yung baila mo. Di ba? You know, even if you're friends, man, you're competing, remember? And it's a one-on-one, remember? Oh, yan. Patas ang laban ng dalawang Larnie and Lucelle. Patas ang laban. Ikaw kakantahin.
Satisfaction.
Rolling
I
Stones.
can't get no satisfaction. Pareho yung ano po nila, It's Raining Men.
It's raining men's.
It's raining men's.
Tulungan po niyo. Tulungan niyo po ako.
Ito, mighty liner.
It's raining men's.
Yeah! Ang laki ng diniban. Takot-takot.
Ikaw, anak.
Free your mind.
Free your mind! Lagot tayo dyan.
Stars ko na. Bawasa ka pa.
You know, anak, ang fear ko sa'yo, all throughout your stay, huwag ka naman magsisisigaw sa lahat ng kinakanta mo. Baka naman ang akalain nila, panabog tutuli ka lang dito sa grupong ito, hindi ba? Hindi ba? Kasi kung kasi lalabang ito na si Poy. Hindi ba nakaganon nila?
Earphones.
I would have wanted, one of you girls to sing, yung Aretha Franklin, Respect.
What you want?
Kasi that's, hindi ba yung R.E.S.P.C.T. Kasi umaakyat yun.
I want me to be.
R.E.S.P.C.T. Mas may hindi ba? Bahala sila. Bahala si Batman. Okay? At si Robin.
Just a little
But I don't-
bit.
Are you happy with your song?
Just a little bit.
Hindi ko po alam pa.
Hindi mo alam.
Ay, alam mo na po, pero hindi ko alam kung may music na maganda ba. Ano po?
Maganda kaya yun. Ako
Next class po namin dito. Alis pa po kami.
No, I don't know. Hindi kasi patas ang laban.
Maganda yung version ni Britney.
Ocean and start swimming the
Maganda
waves.
yung version ni Britney.
Oo nga, maganda yun
Anong
lang.
version ng Satisfaction niya?
Sir,
Yung
maganda
luma
yun
eh.
lang.
I can't get no...
Britney Spears.
Sir, maganda yung sa Embat.
Yung luma po yung binigay sa akin.
It's Rolling Stones?
Oo.
Sino ba
Merong Britney.
Maganda, sir.
Abot mo na yun. Baka naman kailangan